I did notice your system is having some problems. Your bearings are weak, your filter is dirty, found some signs of rust. The system's old, about 9 years old. Lucky for you, I can get you a new system for just $25,000.
Yeah, that's a hard pass. If you've had a similar conversation with a local HVAC company, call us for a second opinion.
At Chillax, we're here to keep your system alive as long as possible.
Most repairs? Under $1,000.
Cool air at cool prices.
Call Chillax Heating and Air today.